Good morning. We've got him, I think.
Yes.
Okay, you're Lupe Gomez?
I'm known as Rebecca.
Okay. What is your last name, Lupe?
Ms. West, I should have known this. I'm challenging you according to 22 United States Code 611 as a foreign agent.
Okay, well, this is state court, not federal court, and you can challenge, here you go, let's just listen. You can challenge whatever you want, but we're gonna move forward with your case with or without your cooperation. And so,
The jurisdiction?
I'm sorry,
The jurisdiction of this court?
what about it?
What jurisdiction is this court operating in?
The Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, so stop talking.
What jurisdiction this court is operating in?
this is cause number 23 DCCR 0319. Mr. Gomez, don't speak over me.
Proving that I'm dead, I'm also ordering you to bring the bonds forward to see who's going to indemnify me.
Are you saying?
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to witness a courtroom exchange that immediately goes off script. What begins as a routine identification spirals into confusion when the defendant refuses to cooperate and challenges the court's authority. The judge attempts to keep the hearing on track, but the tension rises fast as the defendant claims something shocking. He says he has proof that he is dead and demands unusual verification.
You're dead? Is that what you just said?
Are you going to bring the bonds forward to see who's going to indemnify me?
I'm going to take care of the court the way I take care of court. You're not in charge here, I am. And so,
You're
Mr.
a foreign agent.
Well, I'm really,
Invoking judicial powers according to the 11th Amendment.
okay. So, Mr. Rojas,
Mr. Gomez indicated to me that he was not going to accept a plea in this case.
Sure.
I signed up on the tablet. He refused to sign. He wanted to have this hearing in front of the court. So
sure.
we can.
So what is the offer? Let's go.
As the judge processes the bizarre claim, the courtroom quickly pivots back to the case itself. The prosecution outlines the defendant's history of evading arrest, listing multiple prior convictions and explaining the seriousness of the current charge. The judge calmly clarifies the potential punishment range, bringing the conversation back to legal reality while the defendant continues resisting the process.
But the charge is evading arrest or detention with previous convictions from August 29th of 2022. The indictment alleges that Mr. Gomez was previously convicted of evading arrest October 9th of 2002. And then after that was final, was convicted February 10th of 2009 with the offense of evading arrest. And after that was final, convicted April 15th of 2011 of evading arrest. And what that means is the state jail felony.
The plea offer is presented clearly, 1 year in state jail. The judge carefully explains the defendant's right to reject the offer and proceed to a jury trial. Instead of responding directly, the defendant insists the accusation has not been properly disclosed. The judge firmly repeats the allegations and urges him not to interrupt, highlighting the growing clash between courtroom procedure and the defendant's refusal to engage normally.
Felony that the range of punishment is between 6 months and up to 2 years in a state jail prison if convicted by a jury. And what is the offer that's been made?
The moment escalates when the defendant declares he will not allow the judge to rule. The judge immediately shifts gears, arranging for a jury trial and discussing legal representation. The courtroom tone becomes more procedural as the judge proposes appointing a new attorney to prepare for trial more efficiently, attempting to keep the case moving despite the ongoing resistance.
So 1 year state jail, Judge.
And so, Mr. Gomez, the state has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 1 year term in the state jail prison. You have every right to refuse that and have a jury come in and determine whether or not you're guilty. And
the hearing ends with a decisive move. After the defendant claims he still does not understand the proceedings, the judge orders a competency evaluation to determine whether he can stand trial. The attorney is released, a new one will be appointed, and preparations for trial begin.
What your punishment would be, and is that what you want? Do you want to have a jury trial?
I will challenge proceedings and not a proceedings.
Okay, what do you not understand?
You have discrimination and cause of the accusation again.
What?
You have not disclosed the nature and the cause of the accusation.
I just did. The nature and the cause of the accusation against you is that on August 29th of 2022, it's alleged that you intentionally fled from Chad Morrison, a person, don't talk over me. a person that you knew was a peace officer. That's the allegations against you. So if you say you did not do that on,
I'm not going to enter it.
you're not going to, okay, so we'll get a jury set up, and what we'll do is Mr. Rojas handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. What I can do is release him and appoint another attorney today who can begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? Are you not going to answer that?
I still don't understand proceedings.
Okay, well, we've explained them to you. And what I'll do also, since you're saying you don't understand the proceedings, is I'm going to have Mr. Gomez evaluated for competency to stand trial. If you'll get that order done, Mr. Gomez will have someone come out to see you to do an evaluation to see if you're competent and whether or not you understand the proceedings. Mr. Rojas, you are released, and we will appoint another attorney today to begin preparation for trial, and we'll get a jury as quick as we can. You can go back with the bailiff.
Subscribe for more real courtroom moments.